Hello to my Vals and future pals. Today we are doing a sterling editorial look and I've got my special guest, Jessica, here today.
Hello.
Let's get started. Do you want pink or white one?
Pink always. Okay.
When you used to do my makeup, did you get like super anxious like I am right now?
I feel like the camera definitely adds a little bit of a different element. I feel like one thing that I definitely learned when I'd get like your photos back is I'd always think like I feel like I could have been like heavier handed, because that was like some of my first like doing makeup for professional photography. So I wasn't really like aware that it wouldn't show up like as much as I thought it would.
We're also adding some Vaseline to the lips. It's an oldie but a goodie, you know.
These winter times, be trying the lips up.
I actually only started using this after I got my lips done, and because she gave me a bunch of samples, and I was like, oh, I actually like Vaseline. I also got new eyebrow pencils from Morphe.
Love that. I've never used their eyebrow pencils.
I know, I would feel awkward to push someone else's dog down, but you literally can always do it.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah. She likes attention.
Yeah, just an emotional support dog.
I was watching this like professional makeup artist talk about like products that she went on the cheaper side versus which products she kept on the high-end side. And she went eyebrows cheaper with like the exact Morphes, and I was like, I'm gonna do that.
Yeah, I feel like there is like a lot of products that are not horribly expensive that really get the job done.
Have you used a lot of Morphe stuff?
Not really, honestly.
I'll try not to take a whole 2 hours this time.
You're good.
Hey, one of these days you can do my makeup.
Oh, absolutely.
We can record it.
Oh my gosh, that'd be so fun. Because I kind of do have like my go-to like look that I've been doing.
Oh, is that the one you've been doing on screen? It looks so good.
Thank you. Yeah, it's very like heavy contour. The eyelash, like there's this trick I learned with the eyelashes to make your face kind of just look lifted.
Oh yeah, that was the one I told you that you should teach me.
Yeah, it's so crazy because it's such a easy thing to do, and it is one of those things, I will say, where it looks a little crazier in person but super good on camera. Remember to keep in mind that like my neck and chest are a little darker than my face because of spray tan.
We're using a silver glitter color Ignite.
It looks so shimmery.
Yes. Honestly, I wish it was like chunkier.
Is she always like this trusting with just whomever?
Yeah.
Aww.
She is a little sweetie.
Coco and I just met today.
Yes. Also, I'm going in with this dark blue from the Makeup by Mario palette. Close. I'm scared. This color is so dark. Okay.
Coco, love you so much, but I'm gonna,
She's just grumbly.
I'm like, oh no, so sorry. My apologies, Coco. My legs are falling asleep is all.
Look down. No pinching?
You're good, yeah.
Okay, good. Ardell lashes. Super strong hold. That's what we're going for.
When I was doing other people's makeup, the one thing that always was the trickiest, people who are used to wearing eyelashes, they're good. People who aren't, and you put them on, they're like I can't open my eye, like what's going on?
Good.
There we go.
Okay. We're trying the Makeup Forever black eyeliner. I'll have you close. Oh my god, this lash is gonna be the death of me. Open. Close.
Oh, this is like an awkward angle. Oh
It's all
no.
good. It's all good.
You got this.
Yes. Close. Okay, look down. I'll have you look up. We're going in your waterline.
Okay, got it.
So.
What's your favorite like part of like your favorite part of the face to do on someone?
Honestly, I think contouring.
I feel that. For me, it's like when from me doing like my own makeup or other people's, I like doing just the base makeup. Like the foundation, the blush, the contour, bronzer. That's the most fun.
Because it makes the most like difference.
And I feel like it like feels good too.
Oh, true.
Like
true.
when it like when someone's like doing your eyeshadow, it's like just, you know, whatever. But like when someone's doing your face makeup, it's like a good feeling. Like the brush and whatever. It's like kind of like you're getting a facial, but
yeah. Oh my god, I hate this brush. I can't.
do you remember that era where like you were all about like being tan?
Oh my god.
Like you'd always do like white nails. You remember?
Yes, sadly.
I feel like I'm in that era. Like I'm like like I'm gonna do light nails.
I mean, you look good tan though.
You did too.
I don't know.
Really? Did you ever get spray tans?
Like the lightest shade of spray tan. Okay, I'm so fucking pale. The lightest shade of spray tan looks like insanely unnatural to me, like on me.
You just need to like shop around in different places and find a better undertone, I think.
Yeah.
Because maybe try one with like a more like purple undertone than like that orange one.
True.
I feel like that is more natural.
Yeah, I leave it more concealer to your chin. Make sure you don't get shiny.
I usually don't bake like for like during the day because I don't mind being like a little luminous.
Yeah.
But then before I go live, I like have to do like it. I only do it on my forehead though, because it literally the light hits right there and it just looks so shiny.
Oh, that makes sense.
But other than that, I feel like I don't want it to be too matte. Like when I'm out and about, I really only have to do that for straight and that's it.
You're lucky. I have to bake really bad because my face gets really oily.
Mine does too. I usually just like, I'm like, it's fine. But for live, I'm like, okay, with the lights and everything, maybe not.
No, my oil looks like I'm like freaking sweating or something. It's like
You're just glowing. It's fine.
it's like not a glisten, not a nice
Oh,
glisten
not a
like
glisten?
you.
Aw.
It is like dripping down my cheeks like oil.
Oh no.
The powder, like the bake fixes it up for me.
A bake does
though.
wonders.
Yes. I'm trying to go like deeper on the blush because I feel like then
you can be pretty heavy with me on the blush. I go nuts.
yeah, and whenever I go light, you can't see it in the freaking camera.
No, literally. It like has to be like ridiculous. Otherwise, if you don't look like a clown in real life, it's invisible on camera.
Exactly.
And like I don't mind looking like a little just rosy, especially like in this weather where it's cold. I feel like I just look like, oh, just like a little frostbite in like a cute way.
Like a little fairy.
Yeah, like I'm just playing in the snow and I'm a little rosy.
Yeah.
This looks kind of giving me like Pamela Anderson vibes.
Is that good?
No, that's definitely good. I love her.
Good.
Love her so much.
Looks good.
Okay,
Let's take a
wonderful. Woo!
Yes.
Wait, should we take my clips out for the photo?
Yes. Okay, this is the final look for my makeup assignment. Sterling silver. What do you think?
I love it. Very camera ready.
Cute, cute. We love a silver eye. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you next week.